If your daily life involves dry desert climates, pressurized airplane cabins, and high-stress schedules, your body is effectively losing moisture in real time. Most of us ignore the early signals of this strain. We learn to live with a persistent headache, a lingering sense of brain fog, or a baseline level of fatigue that feels like a normal part of being busy. In these extreme environments, your body burns through essential fluids and minerals much faster than you can replace them through a standard water bottle or a quick cup of coffee. This creates a state of biological deficit. When you lack proper cellular hydration, every cognitive and physical task becomes an unnecessary struggle. The standard response to feeling run down is to drink something, usually a large glass of water, a neon-colored sports drink, or a vitamin supplement. But there is a biological delay built into that response. Before any swallowed liquid can enter your bloodstream to do its job, it has to be processed by the gut, a transit time that can take up to an hour. Commercial sports drinks actually complicate this process. Their high sugar content triggers a slower rate of gastric emptying, which means it takes even longer for your cells to receive the fluids they need. When you need immediate relief at a cellular level, your stomach acts as a biological roadblock rather than a gateway. To understand why oral intake is limited, look at a vitamin pill's journey through the gastrointestinal tract. The stomach's high-acid environment chemically alters nutrients, destroying their potency. Only a small fraction of swallowed vitamins actually reach your bloodstream. The digestive system imposes a heavy tax on your nutrition. Regardless of how many supplements you take, your internal biology strictly limits the benefit you receive. Intravenous therapy provides a clinical workaround to this problem by using a saline solution as a direct delivery vehicle. As the diagram shows, this method bypasses the entire gastrointestinal maze, placing nutrients directly into the veins. Because there is no degradation from stomach acid or enzymes, the body receives 100% of the vitamins and minerals instantly. This delivery triggers a real-time cellular response. Over the course of a session, high doses of vitamin C can support the immune system, and B12 can provide a sustained energy lift, all without the crash associated with caffeine. Bypassing the gut ensures that every milligram of nutrition is utilized by the cells, making it the most efficient way to manage your internal chemistry. This level of absorption is why the effects are so immediate. Whether you are treating a severe hangover, resolving jet lag, or recovering from an intense workout, your body draws in the fluids and perks up in a matter of minutes. The logistical side of this science has also evolved. Mobile medical teams now deliver these sterile, clinical-grade treatments directly to private homes or hotel rooms, removing the friction of a traditional clinic visit. This combination of medical efficiency and convenience allows you to reclaim your physical baseline without losing hours to traditional recovery methods. Beyond fixing acute depletion, IV therapy is being used for long-term cellular maintenance, specifically with coenzymes like NAD+, which naturally declines as we age. NAD+ is vital for DNA repair and cognitive function, but its molecules are too delicate to survive the stomach. Intravenous delivery ensures they reach the cell nucleus intact to support cognitive clarity and memory. This direct absorption also supports medical weight loss by giving the liver the specific tools it needs to process fats efficiently, even when you are operating on a caloric deficit. Eliminating the digestive barrier allows intravenous delivery to serve as a consistent pillar of your long-term health strategy. It provides the direct resources your body requires to operate and thrive at its highest physiological level.